Alright guys, so this finally came in today. It is our BRONCBUSTER 1.5" body lift. Here are the pucks and the screws. And this will increase the height of the Bronco, or the body of the Bronco, fit 37-inch tires without changing the dynamics. We are here at a park and we got all our stuff here. We got our BRONCBUSTER right here. This is the 1.5" body lift right there. And then we got our tools back there and we're just gonna do it here.
Alright guys, we are just removing
The skid plate.
the skid plate because the first bolt in the front is covering by the skid plate.
It's like this one right here, right?
Yeah, so we have to remove at least the wing for this skid plate. So hopefully we don't need to remove the whole skid plate.
Yeah. We remove this part of the armor and we even remove this rubber piece too. So I guess has a better, cleaner look, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, now we have a clearer view now of that screw right there. We're gonna use the 1/2" thing.
Wrench.
Oh, wrench. Sorry, wrench. Half impact wrench with what's this? What does it say? 3/4.
Yeah.
I guess this is the standard or metric or whatever.
Yeah.
Yes.
whatever it is.
And then we got this extender. It's gonna go down like this. All right, so we're just, there you go, loosening this up.
Now we're moving to the second part,
Right
the
here.
front side.
Yup.
So there's one.
Oh,
like
it's a
right.
different, it's a different size.
Oh,
Yeah, so this
okay.
is
So we'll find a.
smaller one.
Yeah. All right. So we found
5/8.
5/8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there, it's already
Yeah.
loosened.
It's now loose.
This one, I don't need an extender.
Yeah. We are now the third bolt, and it's now the passenger
Okay, I need an
Before-
extender for this.
before the back tire or rear tire. So somewhere down there. Right, so
There, that was easy. Oh, I thought I could hand it already.
I don't know if you could. It's the whole car.
Yeah, I know.
So the last bolt in the back side, it's behind,
Or
The-
underneath.
yeah, behind the tire and underneath your bumper. So
There, that was
Yeah.
easy. Hold on, let me just. There you go.
we finished the whole
Side.
passenger side now,
Yeah.
and this is the last bolt. And then once we finish unbolting this, then we move to lifting the car and then putting the inserts.
pucks?
Yeah.
So we're now using the jack right here. We're gonna lift it up. All right, it's going up.
Okay. Something popped.
Something popped. Oh, it's going up already. Oh, I see it right there.
So we put the first
Puck.
puck in here. So we're tightening the.
Not all the way though.
Yeah, not all the way, just enough for it to grip.
There. Okay.
So now we are in the second part.
Right here.
I cannot see it.
I know.
So it's somewhere here.
All right. There. I got the puck in there. It's kind of hard and tricky. So yeah, that's how it goes. Right there.
So we're just tightening it.
Not fully.
Yeah, just enough. for the
Yeah, just enough.
puck to.
Yep. We moved the jack from this point to this point right here. There you go.
There. Do you want to remove the bolt first before I lift
Yeah.
it?
All right, let's remove the bolt first.
So we got the third one in the back side.
Tightening it a little bit.
Oh, thank God with our
Yeah.
ARB jack. And it's very sturdy too.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, we're gonna be moving at the
last side.
which is the back side. Okay, it's right there.
Okay, perfect. That was easy.
That was easy. Okay, just tightening it just a little bit.
All right, nice and slow. There you go. All right.
Oh, what's the difference?
Ain't gonna be that high. Wait, this looks really high.
I know. Hold on. Maybe we need to
Oh.
lower it some more.
We forgot to measure it stock Sasquatch with the body lift still in place.
Mm-hmm.
So let's try it from this point. Oh crap! Is this right? 8 inches?
Yeah,
Or
8
there, to be
inches.
fair. No, about
About 8.
8.
8, yeah.
About 8.
Yeah, about 8
All right.
inches.
Cool. And let's see the rear. Oh crap! Almost like 10.
Yeah,
Or no. About
About
no, 9.
9.
All right. Anyways, it's gonna get lower once we. All right, let's do the other side now.
Yeah, and this is, keep in mind, this is just the passenger side being lifted.
Because
So-
we forgot to measure. This.
I know.
Here. No, this one looks kind of straight. All right, this one looks kind of straight. 6 and a half?
6, yeah.
6.5.
And then we gain we gain a
Inch
2
and a half?
2 inches almost.
We've also forgot to mention, this is the new tools right here, or yeah, the new screw, and this is the old screw, the OEM screw. So let's measure it. Yeah, few inch difference right there.
So now we're moving to the driver's side, and we are going to loosen all of the bolts now. Okay, so we're now
There.
unloosening the driver front side, and then now we're going to the back side now. Right. Last bolt in the back side.
Yep.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go. That's actually not that tight. Oh, there,
I
it's
know.
loose now. Oh, crap.
Oh, wow.
I could hand this. No, I'm not gonna.
Oh.
So, we're now lifting it using the jack, and we already loosened and actually removed some of the screw already. Let's check this out. Keep on going. So I just finished removing the front screw bolt right there, and this is how it looks like. At first we thought, crap, did we break it? No, but it's really like that, because even the other side was like that. So this is the front right here, front screw, and we're gonna put the puck right there in the middle, and then, all right, raise it up please.
All right, so we just finished putting the
puck.
puck there, and then now we're just putting the bolt or the screw.
So we're still in the front, and we're actually kind of having a little bit hard time because of the screw. It's having a hard time trying to bite it. We're just trying to let the screw bite it in. Right, so she finally got it to bite. How did you get it to bite?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just put the
screw
and then try to lower the jack.
we lowered the jack a little bit because remember, it's not even no more.
Yeah.
So
Now it's solid now. So we got the second hook in.
this side first,
the back side first, and then we still have one more bolt in front of the back tire right here.
Yep. Should be good enough. This is the one I can't really see.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is right there.
Yeah.
It's not fully tight yet.
No, it's not, but this is how it looks like now.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna tighten it right now.
Tighten every single bolt now, and we are done.
Yep. So this will be the final tightened link. So we're gonna start this side first on the driver's side.
Yeah.
This is our last piece in this side that we're gonna tight.
We're now in the passenger side.
Yep, the last side.
Second bolt for the
tightening.
Passenger side.
Yep.
Last bolt.
Bolt to screw it.
This is how it looks like now.
Wow, it got so much higher. An
Yeah.
1.5 inch, guys.
I know.
But it's just the body, not the suspension. We're done.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see how much clearance we got now. But this is just a body lift.
Yeah.
It's not really like a lift, like a suspension lift.
Yeah.
Because our dynamics is still the same. It's just the body got higher.
Got higher.
Yep. So from the, what do you want me to do? From this part of the tire or this part? Here, I'm gonna go on top of the edge of the tire right here.
Yeah.
So we probably got now what, 7?
Yeah.
Close to 7. Here, you know what? I'll go right there. 7.
Yeah.
7 inches, right there.
Yeah.
Now we could simply put 37s now.
Yeah,
oh, yeah,
'cause
the
now-
37s. Oh yeah, that's crap.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh shoot! Hold on, let me go middle, right here. Oh crap! About 8.
8.
Easily 8. And what happens if you remove this? Crap.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be like heck, you could even pull 10, 9.5 or 10 if you
Remove the fenders. Yeah. This is how it looks like now. Wow, huge. That 1.5 inches made a big difference.
So, oh man.
So
was,
tired.
Yeah, I was so tired, but that's good that
Yeah.
that we did it here in the park.
I know.
Yeah, cause what's this? It was either in the street or in the park. So we just did it
So
in
how
the
many
park.
hours did we?
What time did we start?
I think we started like around 11 something.
Yeah, we started at 11 something and we ended at 1:30-ish or 1
or
around
before
1.
2.
Yeah, around 1. So it took us about what, 2 hours? About 2 hours.
2
but then
hours.
like what made it long was we had to remove our skid plate.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what kind of made it long.
Yeah, we have other things in.
Yeah, and that's about it. we're here back in Moline, but in a different Moline. We're here in South Coast Plaza. So we got ourselves the Le Salade of Moline, and then we got this pastry, and we're waiting for one more.
Yeah.
So this is the smoked salmon sandwich right here. Looks good. The salad is really good. All right, let's do this. Oh crap, I went the wrong way. Is it moving?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.